Okay, back to the Dewinner Cordless Jigsaw. As a household project tool, I have no complaints whatsoever. As you saw in the end of the demonstration, that 10mm bar was probably a little extreme, but it got there. No complaints there whatsoever. So yeah, as an household tool, like I've just said, no issues, performed as it should. The pendulum action certainly gave me the results that I would have expected. Obviously quicker cut on set 3, but you get some tear out. 0 for your straight line cutting, slower cut, less to non tear out. So yeah, it performed as it should. Excellent tool.